Hi everyone, how are you today? Well, today we're going to do another Easter craft to help you decorate your house for Easter. Now, interestingly, I made this craft for you to do last Easter, and that's just when this COVID happened. And I had to put it away because we couldn't come to the library. So now I'm bringing it out so that you can do this one at home. You can pop into the library and pick up a kit to make this one. You might need a little bit of help because we're going to do some weaving, and that's a little bit tricky. And so we start with an egg, and I've already cut the slits for you. And I have some strips of paper already cut. And when we weave, we go in and out, in and out. And sometimes it takes a little bit of help to go in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. And then we want to make sure we go right to the end. I'll go down to the bottom here. Right to the end. I started on top, so now I have to start under to go in and out. In and out. And that's why you might need an adult to help you a little bit with this one. It's a bit tricky, but it's so much fun and it's so nice when it's finished. And in and out. And in and out. And bring it right down to the other one. And then when you're done, you can trim these off. And I'm not going to do the rest, but you can just keep going in and out, in and out. Then we need to make our chick peeping out of the egg. So our chick needs some eyes. Two eyes. One. Two eyes. And a beak, and I just folded this so that his beak will stand out. And then some glue on the bottom. Tuck them behind the egg, and there you have a wonderful Easter decoration. So I hope you have fun doing that. Pop into the library and pick up a kit, and you can make one at home. Have a happy Easter. We'll see you soon. Goodbye.